Hi, my sweets. So this morning I have something here on the table for us. And if you were here, you would get to use it. And I think you've seen this before in 4K, so I'm going to turn the computer so you can see. Okay, I'm going to scoot you back, turn you down. I have a geoboard. So what we can do on here is we can make shapes on here, and we use rubber bands. So if you were here, you would have your rubber bands on your geoboard, and then what I would tell you to do is I'd say put them on your name tag. So your geoboard would be in front of you. You'd put them on your name tag. So I'm actually using Tamia's name tag. This is where she sits. And then I tell you not to touch them. So what we're going to do is we're going to make shapes on here. Now, I give each of you 4 rubber bands so that we can make shapes that have 4 sides or 3 sides. So I'm going to make a shape and I'm going to teach you how to use this. When we use geoboards, we don't play with them because listen to how loud this is. So we don't do that and we don't spin them because otherwise I would take them away. But I'm going to show you how to use these. You're going to use rubber bands. Now, these are really fun, but you have to be so careful. Aha! Look at that. Mrs. Barch learning new things. You have to be so careful so that they don't snap you. So I'm going to show you how to use them so they don't snap you or fly around the room because that's not good either. When you put a rubber band on, you're going to use both of your hands. So when you want to make a shape, you're going to hook it on the peg and this hand is going to hold it while you stretch it so it doesn't come off. Then I'm going to stretch it to where I want it to go. I'm going to let it go. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to go back to the same one. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to stretch it up here to where I want it to go. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to grab another rubber band. I'm going to put it on the peg that I want. And I'm going to stretch it up here and let go. What shape did I make? I made a triangle. Count the sides with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's count the corners. What's that smart word for corners? Angles. Count the angles. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Now I want you to point to the inside of my triangle. Where's the inside of my triangle? In here. This is the inside. Point to the outside of my triangle. And you can touch right on your computer or your phone. Anywhere out here is the outside. Awesome. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we take these off. We don't want them to fly away, and that happens, and that's not really good because then the rubber bands get lost. And then if I tell you to make a shape with 4 sides, you lost one of your rubber bands, so you can only make a shape with 3. So I'm going to show you how we take them off. What you do is you're going to hold this and bring it on down. I'm going to hold this one. I'm going to put my finger here. I'm going to grab it. So if it snaps, it doesn't fly away. I got it. I'm going to hold this peg, grab this side, take it off. So if it snaps, it doesn't fly away. It stays right here. All right, now I'm going to make a shape with 4 sides. What shape could I make with 4 sides? A square, but they all need to be the same length. So watch me as I do this. So I'm going to start down here in the corner. And I'm going to hook my rubber band. I'm going to hold it. Come on, Mrs. Barch. This is tricky trying to show you and hold it at the same time. I'm going to stretch up 4 pegs. Count with me. There should be 4 in here. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Take another rubber band. It has 4 sides, so I need 4 rubber bands, right? I'm going to use the same peg. I'm going to hook it. I need to have 4 pegs in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need another rubber band. It has 4 sides. So I'm going to go down here. Sorry, I have to put this down. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to stretch it up. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far they all have 4. I still need 1 more side up here at the top. Grab my rubber band. I'm going to put it on there. Stretch it over. Now there should be 4 in there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I know that I did make a square. I did not make a rectangle because every side is the same. I have 4 sides that are the same. Point to the inside of my square. Yeah. Point to the outside of my square. Anywhere out here. Awesome. Now, my sweets, I'm going to take this off. So when I take them off, I hold the one side and I pull the rubber band off, put them on my name tag. I'm going to do this one. This one. And one left. All right, my loves, we have one more shape that we know. A circle. You got it. I'm going to try to make a circle. How many rubber bands do you think I need to make a circle? You know, I'm just going to try it with one. So I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, now I need circles around, right? Okay, so I'm gonna stretch this one. I'm gonna keep stretching it, make it look round and circular. Why do I keep ending up with a square? Can I make a circle on a geoboard? No. How many sides does a circle have? 0. And the only thing I can make on a geoboard is something that has a side. And if a circle has no sides, I cannot make anything round on here. I cannot. So I can't make a circle on a geoboard. No matter how hard I try, I can't do it. So everything I make on a geoboard has to have lines and angles. That's always fun, asking kids, like, try to make a circle, and they're all trying, and nope. All right, my loves, I'm going to put these rubber bands on top. That's what I would have you do, and I'd come pick it all up. We are going to do our worksheet, so what you need to do is grab your packet and grab a pencil and grab your crayons. Packet, pencil, crayons. If you need to pause me while you go get those things, you can. I'm going to scooch you closer. And, all right, here we go. You have your packet. Today is Wednesday, so it looks like this. You're going to turn to the next page, and it says up here in the corner 14A. So your page looks like this. You're going to find this page, and you have a regular pencil and your crayons, okay? You're not doing anything yet. Just wait. All right, let me scoot you closer, scoot you a little up. There we go. All right, the first thing we do is write our name at the top and then stop. I want you to write your name very, very neatly. Write your name. Let me see if I can. There we go. Okay. Make sure all of your letters sit down on that line. When you're done, park your pencil. Look what I brought. Does that look familiar? I hope it does. I brought my name tag because we're going to use the number line on the bottom of it. My sweets, we need to know what number a 1 and a 3 makes. So if you look at the number line, if you don't know, then start over here and count. If you don't know what number a 1 and a 3 makes. So let's start until we get here, and then we'll know. So count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What number is that? 13. My sweets, what you are going to do, I want you to trace your 2 13s and then park your pencil. Go. Keep your pencil on the road, on those tracing lines. Park your pencil. All right, my sweets. It says we need to write the number 13 2 more times. So I want you to look carefully. What number gets the chocolate chip? Yeah, the number 1. Does the 3 have a chocolate chip? So you're going to write a number 1 and then a 3, and then a number 1 and then a 3. Ready? Go. Make sure your 3 goes up to strawberry, bumps to the middle, bumps to the bottom. If you do not touch all 3 lines, erase it, please, and do it again. We're always working on writing our numbers so neatly and carefully. Also, if your 3 has a loop in it, like this, erase it, please. That means you need to slow down and trace back on that line you make. So when you come here, you need to trace back. Your pencil stays right on that line that you made. We don't want loops in our 3s. And if you color it in, that just looks yucky. So I can tell you had a loop. So don't do that. Just erase it, please. All right, my loves, what we need to do next is we're going to draw a line in between this last number 13, between the 1 and the 3. You can park your pencil. How many 10s are there in the number 13? If we had our towers, our cubes, how many 10s would there be? Which number's in the 10s place? The 1 or the 3? The number 1. So on top of the number 1, I want you to write the T for tens. The 1 is in the 10s place. 110. Say 110. Good job. How many 1s? How many extra 1s are there? What number is that? 3. We're going to write an O because the word 1, the number 1 is spelled O-N-E. O, so we write an O. Park your pencil. It says for number 2, circle each angle of the triangle. What's an angle? A corner. But there's still more directions. So wait. Circle each angle of the triangle with a different color crayon. So how many angles does a triangle have? How many corners? 3. You got it. So how many colors do we need to take out if we need to circle each one with a different color? 3. Here are the colors I want you to take out. I want you to take out purple, orange, and green. Purple, orange, and green. Here are the colors you're taking out. Purple, orange, and green. I remember yesterday did not work for me to use crayons, so I'm going to take out markers. These you're putting on the table, so you have nothing in your hands. You're not playing with anything. Purple, orange, and green. I want you to grab your orange first. Let's grab orange. We're going to trace this left side. Oh, no, Mrs. Barch. Circle each angle with a different color. Whew! Good thing I caught myself. Say, silly Mrs. Barch. Whew. We're going to circle this angle with our orange, like this. Park your orange. Then I want you to take out your purple. We're going to do the angle on the right. This is my left hand. This is my right. This one's on the right. Circle this angle on the right with your purple. Park your purple. And pick up your green. Top left. This is my left hand. Top left angle. We're going to circle with our green. Park your green. What I want you to do is put your colors away in your box where they belong. I'm going to put my crayons away. Then it says, how many angles does a triangle have? Well, let's count them. How many circles do we make? 1, 2, 3. On this little line, we're going to write the number 3. Halfway around and around again. Your 3 should be sitting right there. Park your pencil. All right, almost done. It says, write the number 4 on the line inside the circle. Do you see the circle? Which one of these is on the inside? Point to it. This is inside. Yep. We need to write the number 4 in there. So take your pencil. Write the number 4 very neatly. Park your pencil. Then it says, write the number 1 on the line outside the circle. Where is the line outside the circle? Point to it. Yeah, write the number 1 right there. Take a pencil, write the number 1. Awesome. Park your pencil. Now it says, for number 4, write the numbers from 0 to 5. If it says 0 to 5, what number do we need to start with? 0. We need to start at 0. So over here, we always write our numbers left to right, left to right. So over here on the left, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go up to strawberry, all the way down to chocolate, back up with my 0. Park my pencil. I want you to do that. Put 0 all the way over here on the left. Now it says 0 to 5. What number comes after 0? When I count 0, 1. Yeah, so take your pencil. On the next, I call these little roads. That's what they look like. You're going to write the number 1, top to bottom. Park your pencil. We're not squishing it next to 0. See how there's spaces between each one of these? That's for each different number. So use your eyes and look carefully. Okay, count with me. Ready? Your pencil's parked so you can touch and count. Ready? Go. 1. Go. Good, you erase that from your brain. Mrs. Bart. Starting with 0. Ready? Set. Go. 0. 1. What comes next? 2. You got it. We're going to go up and touch that top line, curve around all the way to the bottom. Slide to the right. If you did not touch the bottom, please erase. Thank you for being patient with me. Sometimes even teachers make mistakes, right? All right, my loves, touch and count with me at 0. See, I got it this time. Ready? Set, go. 0, 1, 2, 3. Take your pencil. You're going to go up and touch the top, halfway around to the middle, halfway around to the bottom. Park your pencil. If you did not touch those 3 lines, erase it, please, and do it again. You can always pause me. All right, let's touch and count at 0. Ready, set, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. Grab your pencil. 4 starts at the top, down to the middle. Slide on the middle line. Go up and cut it in 2. Park your pencil. If you did not keep that line on there, erase it, my loves, and fix it, okay? Start at 0 with me. Ready? Go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it. Take your pencil. You're going to go down first to the middle line. When you get the middle line, then you're going to go around to the bottom and give it a hat. Your hat stays on that top line. All right, it says write the numbers 0 to 5. Say we did it. All right, now, last one says, what letter is first? So we're looking in this box. Who's first? Remember, we start over here on the left side. This is my left. So which number's first? If this is my left hand, who's first? Do you know that letter? That's the letter A. Yeah, so we're going to write an A. An A is a circle and a line. What I do when I have to do this kind of stuff is then I cross it off. Because then my brain knows, oh, I used that one. It says, what letter is third? Oh, park your pencil. We got to count and find third. So this one was first. So ready, we're going to start with first. Count with me. Ready? Go. First, second, third. Oh, do you know what tricky letter that is? That's an N. N, like nose and no. We're going to make an N. An N comes down. You trace up on the line you just made and then give it a bump. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to cross it off. I use that one. And then it says, what letter is second? We shouldn't just write this one there. It's always smart to count and make sure that we actually did these ones right and we didn't mess it up. So touch and count with me. We start with first. We need to find second. Ready? Go. First, Second. What letter is second? I hope you said D and not B. D starts with the circle first. You're going to make the circle, push up, 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 and pull straight down for D. Cross it off. My loves, you did a wonderful job following along. Have your grown-up take a picture of this and post it in the blue math folder, okay? I love you. Thank you for doing such neat, careful work, and we'll see you soon for reading.